How to make Facebook account private. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your Facebook account completely private. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on Privacy Checker. And now here, in this section, you can review all your privacy settings step by step. So here, just tap on the option that says, who can see what you share? And now here, in this section, make sure to tap on continue, and here also make sure that the all option that you see here, simply make sure to change it to only me. So here simply do that all options to only me to make your account completely private on the Facebook. So here keep on changing all options to only me, and here once you are done changing all options to only me, then you can simply tap on save. And here, once you do that, your Facebook account will be private. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.